Why calculus books have to be so thick? Is it being done to make you miserable? Is it being done as some kind of sales conspiracy? It's none of that. Look at this one. It's the typical book. Very thick, very heavy. You hear that? It's big. It looks like if you throw it outside a window and falls to the ground, it would leave a hole in the ground. The reason why they have that much material is that there's a lot to talk about. There's a lot to unpack because calculus, being the wonderful technology that it is, the thing that has driven so many developments, it deals with a lot of different kinds of functions. It's not just linear functions or quadratic functions. You have differentiation of all kinds of functions, integration of all kinds of functions, multivariable treatments of calculus, and there are different applied problems like fluid flow or forces or flight paths. And you would find a lot of that good stuff in these books. Everything that makes calculus useful. So in short, calculus books tend to be long because they have a lot to talk about. It's not a purposeful effort to make anyone miserable. They just have to be that way. And oddly enough, calculus attempts to make real-world problems simpler. But in order to do that, it has to treat a large number of, let's call it, mathematical situations. And when I say that, I mean something that might be linear, whereas something that might be periodic, or whatever you want to think about.